If you want to add a widget to the home screen on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen in order to go into this editing mode. At the bottom we have widgets, so we can select it. And at first you might see some bunch of different widgets provided by Xiaomi or POCO, which of course are pretty cool as well. But this might be not what you're actually looking for. So instead, what you can do is you can find the Android widgets option, which usually is, at least in this case, over here. It might be somewhere lower, but essentially you are looking for Android widgets option. And then we have the full list of different apps that you have installed on your phone which have widgets. And in here, if you wanted to add a widget, then what you need to do is you need to simply press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you can drop it anywhere on the home screen, just like that. And once you are done, we can tap on done. Another way to add a widget is by pressing and holding your finger on the app from which you want to get a widget. So let's say I'm gonna use Spotify in here, and if I press and hold my finger on Spotify, one of these options is add widgets. So I'm gonna go over here, and as you can see, we have many different widgets that we can use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna add it in here into the home screen, just like that. In case you go to the app drawer, in this case, you will not find the option to add a widget. So the app actually has to be on the home screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.